Hold on. That look like him right there. Oh. Perez! Get back here! Stop! Come on, man, not again! Damn, man. Oh, hell no. Let's go.
Hey,
I'll pay you when I get back. Strap me up in this bitch. Strap me up. Come on, man. Don't let him get away.
Do you even know how to use these things?
Man, mind your damn business. Bernice got to clear it, man.
Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God. She's going to hurt herself. Bernice! Is there a way to turn that thing off? You guys got to jump in there and get her out. Are you all right? Oh, my God. Go get him, B!
I got your ass. This Bernice is built
Get out from my boat! Oh, my God.
Get your ass out the way. Paddle your